Non-negotiable, this one's a keeper. Right, let's build this properly. First, a layer of cooked green beans. Then our cooked bacon on top of that. Next, some fried onion for that lovely sweetness. And now, the secret weapon, crunched up Lay's chips, the green pack, for a bit of crunch and salt, and then a generous layer of cheese. And now we just repeat. Beans, bacon, onion, crunched chips, cheese, until everything's used up and the dish is nice and full. There are no specific measurements for the ingredients, so feel free to add as little or as much as you like. And let me just ask you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Click the notification bell to receive notifications when I load new videos. And here's the finishing touch. A good pour of cream over the top. This is what really brings everything together and keeps it lovely and rich once it bakes. Now into the oven she goes, 40 minutes. I like to leave mine in there a little bit longer because I want the cheese nice and crunchy on top. If you prefer it softer, you can easily pull it at around 30 minutes. Totally up to you and how you like it. And that's my bean and bacon bake. Simple, comforting, and a proper crowd pleaser. If you make it, let me know how it turns out. I'll see you in the next one.